Κρατάμε στα χέρια μας το Motorola Atrix. Αυτή τη στιγμή είναι το καλύτερο κινητό με λειτουργικό Android. Έχει οθόνη 960x540 pixels. Έχει πολύ καλή αίσθηση στο χέρι. Είναι το μόνο κινητό αυτή τη στιγμή με 1940 mAh μπαταρία που υπόσχεται 25% περισσότερη αυτονομία σε σχέση με οποιοδήποτε άλλο Android κινητό. Είναι πάρα πολύ γρήγορο, έχει διπύρινο επεξεργαστή στο 1 GHz. Το ποσό μνήμης είναι στο 1 GB και είναι αυτή τη στιγμή μόνη συσκευή που έχει ένα δεύτερο interface στο ήδη υπάρχον που ονομάζεται Webtop, στο οποίο μπορεί να μπει κάποιος είτε από τον υπολογιστή του και να δει ένα νέο interface το οποίο είναι σαν να έχει ένα κανονικό υπολογιστή, είτε στο laptop το οποίο του επιτρέπει να αποκτήσει ένα φορητό laptop χωρίς επεξεργαστή ή οτιδήποτε άλλο. Απλά είναι ένα dummy που έχει οθόνη και πληκτρολόγιο και μπορεί κάποιος να το συνδέσει με το Atrix και να μπει στο ίντερνετ, να δει τα εγγραφά του.
The Motorola laptop is a shell with basically connections for your handset, for the Atrix to fit in. When you open it up, you're then presented with a high-definition display, keyboard, trackpad, mouse, speakers, and a microphone. So, to show you, I can rip the handset straight out. I'm going to place it into the laptop, and when I open the laptop, it will then power up. But it's exactly where I just left off. So going back to where we were on the desktop, I actually haven't lost anything. I don't have to save anything. I don't have to close down the computer like you would do on a PC or a Mac. I can literally just rip it from one dock and into another dock, and it's still there and alive and working. So to give you an example of that, I'm still connected to Windows Live. I haven't lost my connection. I'm still connected to Motorola online because it's continuously running in the background live. Again, it's the same interface, so what you can see here is you've got your phone details on the left, and then on the right hand side you've got obviously access to the internet or Citrix if you should need to. But the phone really comes to life once we start using Motorola's new ecosystem of accessories, so I'd like to show you that now. Place my Atrix into the HD multimedia dock, and I'm going to start something called Webtop. So Webtop is Motorola's own software that's like a PC experience. So if I just quickly show you what that looks like, on the left here you have your phone. Okay. So these are details like accessing your phone menu, your phone book, contacts, sending messages, and any video content that you may have. Yeah. On the right-hand side, it's all about the computer and the internet. So to quickly show you the phone view, we have my mobile phone is now in mobile view, so I can access the apps tray, I can go home, I could switch the screen, move it over, I can access obviously Facebook, and I can make sure that I can add comments and like things and just really get involved just like I would do if the phone was in the palm of my hand. But more importantly, on dinner I can play Angry Birds. So in my relaxing time I can play all of the apps that I may have downloaded from the Android market, and furthermore I can obviously then do it in full screen mode as well. So moving on from the phone mode, what we've then got at the bottom here is a file manager. So I've got a possible 48 gig of storage, and this file manager means I can access all of my documents, my video, my pictures, all directly from this Webtop solution, just like you would do if you were using a normal PC. Further to this, I've then got a full internet browser through Firefox, which allows me to access obviously websites that support Flash in all of its glory. So Flash 10 support is on there. And of course, you may be a consumer who's interested to know how you might do certain things like Word, Excel and PowerPoint for university or work, then you have access obviously through online portals such as Windows Live to be able to use those type of documents. But we also, interestingly enough, have something called Citrix that you can access as well. So Citrix is the ability to remote access your desktop from anywhere or any portal. So to show you that, it'll take a few seconds, but it's well worthwhile. So what I'm now going to do is remote access my desktop. And now I have full access to a Windows PC by the power of my Atrix device. And I can even use any of the programs that are installed on my PC on the Citrix server.
Επίσης το Atrix έχει κάμερα στα 8 MP, μπορεί να καταγράψει βίντεο HD, έχει αισθητήρα στο πίσω μέρος το οποίο μπορεί να το κλειδώσει κάποιος ακουμπώντας με το δάχτυλό του ή να αποθηκεύσει προσωπικά του δεδομένα, κωδικούς ασφαλείας. Προς το παρόν δεν γνωρίζουμε πότε θα κυκλοφορήσει, λένε Ιούνιο, ούτε και την τιμή του.